Hello everyone, Tamzin Cochrane here. I thought, since a lot of us are stuck at home, we're about to be from this evening in Austin, I know many people are about the place, that I would try and do a live video every day, just with some quick things or fun things that you can make at home easily, especially while all the shelves are so empty. Anyway, a very quick one for today, and that's hummus. It's very easy to make. It's easy to have the ingredients in your cupboard, and you might have it already. The unlikely ingredients would be the tahini, which is a sesame seed paste, but that's unlikely to have gone off all the shelves in actual fact. So we're going to start making it, and then I'll have fresh hummus to eat when I get home tonight. So anyway, in the food processor, which is right here, we're going to start with just putting the tahini in with the lemon juice, just to help it break down and get smooth. I've already stirred it. Do stir your tahini before you measure it. Sesame seed, the nut, it's got oil in. The oil will always rise to the top of the container, and the sort of sediment will come down. So you'll end up with a very thick amount of tahini at the bottom, sort of getting looser and looser till you get the oil at the top. So stir it up so that you've got it. So let's get that into our food processor. So quick and easy way to make it. We're going to add our lemon juice. It's the juice of a large lemon. It's a quarter cup, but that's roughly a large lemon. So just use, I would say, just use a large lemon, not two small ones. The lemon juice makes such a difference. Now for a bit of noise. First thing it did was send it all flying around the food processor. So I'm just going to quickly take it all down so all of it is getting whipped up. And I have put the recipe already up on the Facebook feed, but it does make a difference. It sort of makes it just that little bit creamier. I think it's well worth doing this sort of initial 30 seconds. So I'm then going to add my garlic clove, which is going to tell you I have just chopped it with a knife and smashed it down. So put it through a garlic press, whatever you want. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there right now. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of cumin. Certainly not half a teaspoon, there we go. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. I'm not quite doing this the way my recipe says online. Don't worry about it. I'm pretty good at remembering my recipes, but not perfect. I think I make this maybe too often. This bit of stopping the processor and actually clearing down the sides is pretty important, because it will come up and you want everything to be nicely mixed. So having your last lick, your spatula in there and doing that really does help. So I'm going to whiz it again, and then I'm going to add some garbanzo beans or chickpeas. So at the moment we've put the tahini in with the lemon juice and gave it a whiz, scraped it down, gave it another quick whiz. We've then added just a pinch of salt. I'll test the seasoning at the end, but a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 small garlic clove. And that's what's in there. The only ingredient missing right now is our chickpeas, and maybe some water. So I'm going to add half the chickpeas in. And then I'll add the other half. Give it a fighting chance. While this one's whizzing, I'm going to go off camera because I've left the water over the other side of the learning lab. Obviously could pour it through the top, that's what it's for. Whoops, it's just a lot quicker to do it this way. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you could see what it was doing at the sides. Now I will show you what it looks like right now. I'll bring this a lot nearer to the camera. So at the moment it's not as smooth as it could be, and it is quite thick, and I don't want it this thick. So although it will taste nice, the texture isn't necessarily going to be something I want. So I'm going to whiz it a little bit more, and I'm going to add some water. Not a lot, we're talking tablespoons, not huge amounts. So, I'm not sure I'd be able to bring it over to you as easily this time, but we will do it. Because what's a little bit of tidying up. So once again, just scraping it all off the sides, making sure it's all moved around. But this time, there we go. So you should be able to see, the lights are on actually. It's very bright outside, it's in the 90s here right now. So it's actually quite a hot day. But you can see that's a lot smoother, and it would actually fall like that. Luckily, I don't mind eating it. Okay, I'm going to let it go around again. It's basically ready now. There you go. We have, it's not going to come off without me taking the lid off, because the lid has a safety catch. So there is our beautiful hummus. It's ready. That was very quick. Actually, I will taste it, just in case I want to add more salt. But normally for me, a pinch is enough. I love hummus as it happens. So, and I do like that. That is nice. So what I'm going to do now is just put it into a container to take home, because I'm going to head home soon from the lodge, and this means I can sit and have some hummus. I'm not cooking tea tonight. One of my boys is. So that's even better. The beauty of having all of them home. There are silver linings to having COVID-19 whizzing around the place. And that is that I have the majority of my children all at my house. Okay, have a wonderful day. Sorry I can't answer all of your messages, but I will go back through and read them. I just can't do live and read what's coming up on there, although I can see the love hearts, which is very sweet. Have a fabulous day. Stay safe, everybody. This is a virus that's not a lot of fun. So find the silver lining. And I'm hoping lots of different videos of different things will be fun. Have a wonderful day. Bye.